Same thing as a GUI label, simply just copy this one in here, and let's call it score. And the height will be around 64. And this might be 32. And because this will be the dynamic text, so we were using same thing or the same way before. We will use string dot format. Let's call score in here, and put this one in here to control the dynamic text. And there should be something called a score. Let's take a look. What's the name we put before? Okay. Data center score. And this will use the same text style. Okay, let's take a look real quick. Okay, maybe we need to lower a bit more. Okay. And let's also change back the timer to 10 seconds. And then we can give a high speed, hit speed title. And also the ranking message. This will be 64 around. And we will call it hit speed. The hit speed will be a private variable. will be the float type. Initial value we set to 0. Let's check the position real quick. Maybe we move up a bit. I got 32. And we will call this hit speed. Okay. Then we will also tell how quick is this. So we will put how many hits per second. Okay, let's get back to the update and tell Unity when will this happen. And we also change this back to false. So when level complete, we should put when level complete, when will be the level complete? When user can break the object into pieces, and also the timer is still not 0 yet. Let me check. So before we already create something called destroyed in the data center. So if destroy is true, which means objects are destroyed, or maybe just one object is destroyed. When it's true and the time still higher than 0, then you win. And in this case, we need to make the enable level completed to true in here. So let's say data center enable level completed to true. And again, in the start function, we need to put here for false. And this can make everything got reset when the game is reloaded. Okay, let's try that in the Unity real quick. Okay, compiling, there's no error, good. Clear the console, hit play. So tap on here, level complete, cool. So everything shows up in here. And we need to tell how fast the user is tapping, but we will do that later. Let's create the ranking position in here and also the buttons. So for the buttons, I think we can simply copy from level field menu. Just tweak the position a little bit. It's 32. The ranking message will be plus 64, and this will be 32 for ranking message, and for this one will be another 32. Let's try that real quick. Which is 6496. Okay, we need to move it down a bit, or move everything up. I think we can move everything up, and the bottom maybe looks too big. We can change the bottom, I think, to 96. 96, 96. Let's check again. Okay, the size looks alright. And we need to move the hit speed, the ranking message, and the score, also the title, move up a little bit to put the ranking message. So maybe minus 32, minus 32, and minus 32, which is 128. Let's take a look. Okay, it's about right. Maybe you can move up more. 32, 32. Then we put let's test the ranking message here. Let's call it ranking message, and put something in here, level complete. And this will be the string. We just do a real quick testing, it's fine. So let's say good job. About this position, hit play. Okay, about the right position.